What's up, guys? We're here in Elite. We're doing the random for Group Break 191, Series 1. So, how this is going to work, everybody's going to get a team from the top tier, and everybody's going to get a team from the bottom tier. I have the top tier is the top 15 in here, and the bottom tier is the bottom 15 here. So, I got two lists, the 15 here. 15 here. First one is going to be for the top tier. Second one's going to be for the bottom tier. And each list will be random 3 times when we do that. I'm going to go and go live. We are live at, that's not it, 10:57. It's 10:57 here in Denver. So 3 times, guys. This is for the top tier. 1, 2, and 3. Kyle on top and Staz on the bottom. So Kyle, congrats with the New York Rangers. And for the bottom tier, 1, 2, and 3. Kyle on top again. All right, guys. Kyle, you got the Rangers and the Avs. My lord. Staz, the Edmonton Oilers. Mike, you got the Leafs. Samuel, the Vancouver Canucks. Philip, the Columbus Blue Jackets. Eric, the Chicago Blackhawks. Gene, the Dallas Stars. Mike, the Kings. Charlie, the Montreal Canadiens. Rick, the Islanders. Marty, Philadelphia Flyers. Kevin, the Pittsburgh Penguins. Matt Smith, the Vegas Golden Knights. Staz, the Capitals. Kyle, you got Boston. Kraus, the Jets. Charlie, the Carolina Hurricanes. Philip, New Jersey Devils. Kyle, the Ottawa Senators. Matthew, Tampa. Kevin, Buffalo. Samuel, Calgary. Rick, San Jose. Marty, the Blues. Kraus, the Arizona Coyotes. Gene, the Red Wings. Staz, the Panthers and Predators. And Eric, the Minnesota Wild. Do one last timestamp here. 10:59. 10:59. There you guys have it. Good luck.